It's a 2015 Chrysler 200. Drive proud. Drive the all-American Chrysler 200. It's in a class of one. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. You connect with Bluetooth. Manual tilting steering column. Keyless enter and go. Manual telescoping steering column. Automatic transmission. Active grille shutters. Gas pressurized shocks. And multi-air engine. New Car Test Drive exclaims, the 200 took to some of our favorite driving roads like a cheetah chasing down a gazelle, changing pace, shifting its weight, gripping the ground, and staying on its line. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.